Tyson Lund with the LundTeam here at this wonderful ground floor unit in San Miguel 3. Newest opportunity that you have here in this rare unit. It opens so you see ocean crashing views and the skyline. Here, the location for San Miguel is ideal. You have brand new award-winning restaurants, hotels, and the redevelopment here in Oceanside, I can't say enough about. We're here routinely on the weekend. I have a family member that has a condo here in San Miguel, and it's just so special to come down here. There are spas here. It's one of the best maintained communities that you will find, and there's so much about this unit in particular that's so special from anything that's been on the market in the near term. The owner has meticulously upgraded the interior with stone countertops, tile backsplash, custom cabinetry. The owner added AC to the property. Flooring has all been replaced, custom shower, entrance. This is the type of unit that you can walk right in. You don't have to do a thing to it. And a lot of people are asking us, how do I get something so close to the beach, so close to the pier and the harbor? This is one of those ideal locations if you're looking for year-round entertainment. What's so fantastic about San Miguel 3 is that you sit right on one of the best beach stretches that year-round has sand and one of the best breaks that you can find for surfing. So if you're looking for something that is walkable to everything, walkable to the restaurants, walkable to everything that Oceanside has at the beach, San Miguel 3 should be a focus. And this unit in particular, being how upgraded it is, should be a focus for you. Tyson Lund with the LundTeam encouraging you to call us, visit us online, find out a little bit more about this special unit here in San Miguel 3, and we look forward to showing you or telling you a little bit more about this great unit.